So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to recharge car AC refrigerant when it is not blowing cold air, step by step 2026. Step 1 is prepare the vehicle. Park in a shaded area, then open car door, start the engine, set AC to maximum cold setting, set fan speed to high, enable recirculation mode. Second step is locate the low pressure port. Open the hood of the vehicle, then locate the low pressure service port on the thicker aluminum AC line. Identify the port by its plastic cap marked with the letter L. Clean and drift from the cap before removal. Third step is read the pressure. Attach the quick connect fitting of the recharge hose to the low pressure port until it snap or lock in place. Then ensure the AC and compressor are running during the pressure check. Check the pressure gauge included in your kit. If the needle is in the green zone, the system is full. Cold air issued may be due to other mechanical problem. If the pressure reads low, proceed to the next step. Fourth step is add refrigerant. Shake the refrigerant can roughly before use. Then dispense refrigerant in short bursts of 5 to 10 seconds. Pull the trigger or twist the valve to release the refrigerant. Shake the can immediately while charging the system. Fifth step is monitor the gauge and vents. Place a thermometer in the central air vent to monitor temperature. Stop adding refrigerant when the gauge shows the recommended pressure of outside temperature. Then ensure the air begin blowing cold before stopping the refrigerant addition. Avoid overcharging the system to prevent severe damage to the AC compressor. Step 6 is disconnect and close. Pull up on the collar to disconnect the hose from the service port. Screw the dust cap back onto the service port, then turn off the engine. Thanks for watching.